Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sync WhatsApp Web with your mobile. To get started, open a browser on your computer and go to web.whatsapp.com. On that page, you'll see a large QR code. Now, pick up your phone and open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner if you're on Android, or go to Settings if you're on iPhone, and select Link Devices. Next, tap Link a device. Your phone's camera will open. Simply point it at the QR code on your computer screen. Once the code is scanned, your WhatsApp chats will instantly appear on your computer. From there, everything stays synced in real time when you send or receive messages on your phone. They'll show up on WhatsApp Web too. If you ever want to log out, just go back to Link Devices in your phone settings. Tap on the active session and choose Log Out, and that's it. Now you know how to sync WhatsApp Web with your mobile in just a few quick steps. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.